What is up, ninjas? My name is Zen World, and today we're going to be talking about how to become the best mixing engineer ever.
Why the f say it like that?
Trust me, sounds legit.
No, it doesn't.
Alright, ninja, so today we're going to be utilizing a website called Soundgym. Now, Soundgym is going to be a gym for our ears where we're going to develop our listening skills, guys, which is very important when it comes to mixing, and also it comes in real life situations when your girlfriend is talking to you and you're trying to zone her out. Well, Soundgym might just help you be able to tune her out, so it looks like you're actually listening to her, but in reality you're still there trying to get that snare to sound right. It's going to have a lot of cool games that we can use to develop our listening skills when it comes to compression, reverb, nasty EQ frequencies. Let's say you hear someone's track and you hear something boosted and you're like, oh, I know what frequency that is. That's what Soundgym is all about, guys, and it will make you a better mixing engineer, maybe the best in the world if you keep at it. Just like you go to the gym to get ripped, guys, consistency is key. So if you want to get some ripped ears, then you for sure need to check this out, and you need to go every day, do the workouts they offer you that we're going to check out right now. Because right now I'm going to prove to you guys that I am going to be one of the best mixing engineers in the world. Shut up. And that Ableton is better than FL Studio. It's time to shut this down. Babe, grab the camera. Let's do this shit. Alright, guys, and here we are inside of Soundgym, which is a good place to get that workout in for your ears. Remember, if you want to get ripped ears, consistency is key. Also, a good diet. Don't be listening to your music at very high volumes. Take some vitamin E. And weekly consistency will get you to where you want to be. So as you can see, I did my workout already, but when we go into the game section, guys, you're gonna have access to a lot of games that you can utilize that will, again, work out different parts of your ear, like the earlobe and the top of the ear. We're gonna have the EQ Night, the DB King, compressor, and they're all gonna help in just getting you to, get better listening skills. So we're gonna try one out so you guys can see how elite I am. And we're gonna go with the Dr. Compressor one first. As you can see, I haven't really played it that much, and we're gonna play the game so you guys can see how it works. So here I am inside of a studio I'm never gonna be able to afford. I'm never gonna be able to afford that, but it's all good. So as you can see, we have an audio file, and in this game we're supposed to pick which one sounds more compressed. Now, I am the king when it comes to mixing, as you guys know. So okay, that was not, yeah. So let's try again. This one sounds more compressed because it's quieter. Okay. Wait up, hold up. This one. Yeah, I got one right, yeah. That's what's up. All right, let's keep going here. Okay, that one I just clicked, but it's all good. You're supposed to hear both of them. Okay, you know what? Wait up. Okay, let's show. It's game over. What?
You suck.
Shut up, okay? Can you stop recording right now, please?
Okay.
I just can't. Let's try another game. Hey guys, so the next one we're gonna try is actually cool, and we're gonna try Pan Man, where we hear a sound that is getting panned, and you're supposed to pick up where it's coming from, on the right or the left side. And this is super useful for people always asking where certain things are in the mix when you're referencing stuff. So let's check this one out. I think I'm gonna be really good at this one. So here we go. This is called Pan Man. Here we go. So I for sure hear this coming from the red side, the right side. I got that one right. That's what's up. See? I'm telling you, I'm good. All right, this is coming from the left side. Okay, it's all good. Yeah, shut up. All right. This is from the right. Now this one's from the right side for sure. Okay. Now this is from the left for sure. Can we just stop recording?
It's not even recording.
Okay, I know, but I just don't want to work on this video. Like, if I put this up, everyone's gonna talk and stuff, And
I'm surprised no one has talked on your other videos. I'm kidding.
You know what? You're not helping. You know what? We'll continue this video later. I don't even think I'm gonna make it anymore. You're fucking.
Okay, but don't. Freaking baby. Such a baby. Look at that sore loser turning off Nintendo Switch.
2 hours later.
Jay, get out of here.
Babe, what are you doing?
I can't do it, babe. I can't make that video. Soundgym hit me up to collaborate and stuff, and they can use a referral link if you guys want to get on. And pretty much, I didn't expect that I would suck so much at mixing.
It's okay, you can just ignore them like so.
I'm not gonna ignore. People are gonna talk shit on me if I put this video up, Jade, and I need to make these videos to support support you guys so you guys can have good clothes and go to school and stuff.
Okay, can you try harder?
I know, dude. I'm not. Babe, why are you recording this?
This is for Instagram content.
But didn't you say that you have to go over the top and express your problem?
Yes, but that was just to get your leads to sound fat. I don't think this works for real life.
Okay, Papa, you can do it.
You think so?
Yeah, I can do it. Be strong and be a young man to grow up. Because you're gonna die like Mary Carey.
Come on, babe. With a bit of practice, you can show these fools up. Come on. Come on, babe.
You're right. Let's do this. Can I take a shot at this one more time, though? It's really good.
All right, all right.
Rising up, back on the street. Did my time, took my chances. Went the distance, now I'm back on my feet. Just a man and his will to survive. So many times, it happens too fast. You trade your passion for glory. Don't lose your grip on the dreams of the past. You must fight just to keep them alive. It's the eye of the tiger, it's the thrill of the fight. Rising up to the challenge of our rival. And the last known survivor stalks his way in the night. And he's watching us all in the eye.
Babe, what the are you doing? You know that's not gonna help you, right?
I know, but
Get the back in the studio and train your fucking ears.
The tiger,
Alright guys, so it's time to get serious with this. By the way, at the end of the montage, I was in first place. I just edited myself in there. So props to whoever was in first place. I didn't cheat. But I thought it was kind of funny. But let's get straight and serious into this, guys. So as I stated, there's going to be multiple games that we can play. The first one that I see here is going to be called EQ Night. Choose between two sounds and find the audio source that reflects the EQ setting that is presented to you. So this one's pretty cool, just in case you have a mix down or you're mixing someone's track and you can't figure out, oh, there's a sound that sounds pretty weird in there. This will really help in just, again, acknowledging certain frequencies that have been boosted or that have been reduced. So let's check it out. So as you can see, we have a high pass with a high shelf. So I'm assuming it's going to be this one. And voila. Now, if we keep going on, I believe it's going to be A. And I clicked, I got it right. This one's gonna be B for sure. You can kind of hear the resonations in the 200 hertz and the 400 hertz. So we're gonna click on that. And we got it right. So let's go to another game, guys. So as you guys can see, these really help, and they get harder the more you start getting up in levels. And the cool thing about Soundgym is they make it really fun and competitive, because there are ways that you can compare yourself to other people. You can collect coins so that you can have access to other style of sounds. When you're playing these games, you can choose for it to just be a piano loop, a drum loop, vice versa, a synth loop. We're making dance music, so it's pretty cool. You have a lot of freedom to choose there. Okay, as we move along, let's try another one. Let's try the Panman again. I think the Panman is super cool because it helps you kind of feel where the sound is coming from. Let's do it with synths though. And here we go. Now, when you're running these guys, please make sure that you have a monitor system or you're using headphones. If you're using monitors, make sure that they're aligned properly in an equilateral triangle so that you can get the most out of this. So this one, you can hear it a bit to the right, around, I'm gonna say 50. And it was actually 0.36. All right, let's keep going. This was on the left side, not that far off. I'm going to say around 0.2. 0.31 was the right answer. This one's straight from the center. So we got that one perfect. We got more points for that. More to the left on this one. So 0.27. So it really helps. Straight mono, that one. Now, the higher it goes in stages, the smaller you have of errors. So this little gray light you can see gets a lot smaller. So that one was just a little bit to the right. This one's all the way to the left around here. We barely got it, but as you can see, that's going to get smaller the more we go up. That one was for sure to the left. To the left. To the left. Now this is the hardest one. It's a lot smaller. So we got that one right. That one's fully panned to the right. Got that one wrong. It starts to get a lot trickier because you feel like it's all the way to the left, but it's not. This one was a bit easier. Oh, that one's more. Yeah, there we go. All right, so let's go to some other games, guys. I want to show you guys most of the fun ones that I've had doing this one. One of the harder ones is going to be the Dr. Compressor. And for this one, I recommend that you guys actually do it because a lot of people have trouble with compression. And in this one, what you want to look out for is when you're hearing the sound, you want to hear the transients, how they change. A lot of times the snare drum, when you hear it, when it gets compressed, it kind of loses volume a bit because you're dynamically getting everything the same. So everything starts to kind of go down in volume. This one's a lot harder. It's going to be that one for sure. This one for sure. You can hear the snare just goes down in volume. I guessed on that one. So that's going to be the Dr. Compressor. And again, you can do cool stuff with this. There's going to be access to a lot more games like reverb, peak master, what frequency is peaking. For this one, it's a little bit cooler as well. Again, this one is more to recognize certain frequencies that are boosted. That one's around here for sure. It's going to be more in the high area. Ah, it was all the way to the right, as you guys can see. You can hear the ringy sound of that hat more. So for sure, it's going to be around 9,000-10,000 hertz. Usually, that's going to produce that ringy sound. It gets a lot brighter. So for sure in the highs, there we go. Again, it gets a lot higher. So for sure up there, you hear that. So that's what this is helping you for. Again, high frequencies, all highs, all day. Here we go. It starts to get a lot harder. This is going to be around 2 to 500 hertz, I'm going to assume. Around there, yeah, 300. So that's where more of the thumb comes from stuff. That one was a 1,000. So that's going to be that one, guys. And again, there's going to be a lot of them that you guys can go through. And the last thing I want to show you guys is, of course, it's going to be a dashboard where you can have access to a lot of people's posts. SPI rank, you can compare with yourself with other people. Right now, it shows up 100% better than most users. I don't know why it says that. And you can also buy cool stuff with your coins. So once you start getting the coins, you can start buying stuff for your studio, of course, you know, your virtual studio. So if I go into my profile, you guys can see at the bottom we have a virtual studio that I can buy with the coins, and then I have access to a lot of other cool stuff, guys. But if you guys want to try Soundgym out, you guys enjoyed the video, make sure to check it out. Use the referral link in the description of this video if you guys want to support my channel. If you guys sign up with it, I do get a little bit of a cut from it, and I did get this for free, by the way. I want to put that disclaimer out there for you guys, but that doesn't mean I'm giving good vibes to this because of that. In all honesty, it's pretty cool, and I'm actually going to be using it every day. I'm going to do the workout that they have you do to start your daily workout one, so that you can keep up and, you know, start getting better with your ears. It's all about the listening, guys. And if you can listen to discrepancies in your mix, then you will most likely know how to treat it, because I'm gonna assume most of us know the basics of how to EQ and compress. The problem is being able to listen and find those discrepancies, those bad things that we need to fix. All right, but with that being said, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys next time for another video. You guys take care and peace out.
Rising up, back on the street. Did my time, took my chances. Went the distance, now I'm back on my feet. Just a man and